In the vast expanse of the cosmos, I could hear your voices from across the galaxy. Faint whispers in the cosmic breeze, crying out for help. It beckoned me to embark on a journey of discovery, to travel across the stars, to find you. I needed to find you, and I could hear your cries becoming louder, the closer I approached. There, I found Earth, a lonely planet, teeming with life. These were the cries of the animals that inhabited this world, reaching out across space, pleading for help. Humans, in their pursuit of pleasure, hunted them, exploited them, confined them to cages, subjected them to experiments, forced them to perform for entertainment, and, ultimately, ended their lives. My heart, although I was an alien, compelled me to become their guardian. I could not ignore them, and I could not turn away. I set off on a rescue mission, navigating the diverse landscapes of Earth, to free these voiceless beings from their torment. My spaceship became a vessel of hope, a sanctuary where you could feel safe. Each rescue was a small victory, a step toward healing the wounds inflicted by human actions. The rescue mission wasn't just about saving lives. It was about offering a second chance, the chance to build an empire for them, at the end of the world.
This is what we've been waiting for. They don't know we've been keeping score. This is our destiny. Can you hear the calling? At the end of the world, where will we be? Immortality is calling. Speak our names forever. Eclipse the world together. Gonna build an empire. Gonna build an empire. Gonna take the world by fire. Gonna build an empire. An empire.
Witnessing the scope of the challenges faced by the animals, my resolve strengthened. Each human generation taught the next generation to ignore your suffering. And when those human children became adults, they too taught their children that it was okay to hurt you. An endless cycle of violence that only the children could break. My mission became clear, transcending borders and boundaries, reaching every corner of this vast planet. I pledged to save these voiceless beings, to be their advocate in the face of adversity. The spaceship became a beacon of hope, a vessel sailing through the storms of cruelty to bring solace to those in need. Through the dark nights and bright days, my mission persisted. Each rescue was not just a physical endeavor but a testament to the resilience of compassion. In all corners of this world I heard you. In all places I could see you. I was coming for you. I roared across the planet, to where the humans trapped you, and forced you to entertain them. The animals, scarred by the hands of humanity, found sanctuary within the walls of my spacecraft. The ship itself transformed into an ark, a refuge for those seeking a haven from the storm of human exploitation. As Earth dwindled in the rear view of my cosmic vessel, I knew I could not take you all with me. But, maybe, just maybe, I was able to leave a message to the children of Earth, to choose empathy and compassion. To relinquish the consumption of meat and other animal products, and to refuse to exploit you. Children of Earth, I arrived on your planet, not as a stranger, but as an ally to those who cannot voice their pain. As I rescued the silent cries of the animals, a tale unfolded, and I shared it with you. Listen to the animals. They don't speak your language, but they need you to listen. In their eyes, you'll find stories of joy, suffering, and a plea for understanding. Be mindful, feel their silent calls, and let empathy guide your actions. Set them free from the chains of captivity. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the mightiest beast, deserves the gift of freedom. Listen to the echoes of violence, a cycle that must be broken. As my spaceship sails into the cosmic unknown, carrying the rescued animals and the wisdom you've embraced, remember that you hold the key to a harmonious future. As we ventured towards a new planet, bathed in the glow of unfamiliar stars, I marveled at the potential for change. Our cosmic journey came to an end. The animals found a new home, a distant planet bathed in celestial beauty. The once silent cries now happy and safe. As we walk on this new planet together, my eyes are wide with possibility. These rescued animals, once the victims of suffering, now graze on lush landscapes and explore the uncharted territories of this sanctuary. To evolve to be worthy of traveling the stars, you first must care for and protect the voiceless innocents on your own world, and make kinder choices.